Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll go over the concept of Ethereum 2.0 staking, what moving to proof of stake means for you, and the concept of staking pools and the potential for financial gain it means for all of us. The most obvious benefit of staking is the opportunity to generate earnings from holding crypto. Staking likewise supplies an opportunity to be an active participant in your favorite blockchain tasks. Staking pools are likewise a good option to earn passive earnings through staking without requiring the technical know-how to establish a validating node in the network. An additional advantage is that no tokens have to be secured for a specified period of time, which is required to be a validator in numerous staking programs. Even in case of a smaller-sized market recession, the value of benefits might not cover the decrease in the value of the crypto. When taking part in a staking pool, people need to be conscious that someone else may be taking custody of their cryptocurrencies, which includes some danger. In line with basic suggestions for crypto users, all private secrets need to be kept protected and never shown to other individuals or entities. However, by staking, users secure their cryptocurrency holdings for a specified period. This indicates that if there's a sudden market crash, they will not be able to pull their crypto out of the staking program to sell and mitigate any losses. Staking on Ethereum 2.0 will be fairly straightforward. There will be a minimum limit of 32 ETH needed to take part in staking, and validators will require to be running a validator node. As pointed out previously, this does not require a special server and could be done on a consumer-grade computer system or laptop. Nevertheless, validators will be expected to be online regularly or deal with minor penalties. The procedure of staking involves securing an amount of a provided cryptocurrency in a wallet to take part in the operation of a blockchain in return for rewards. Theoretically, anybody can take part in staking on any blockchain operating a proof of stake agreement. Proof of stake has several variations, which likewise enable people to take part in staking. The Ethereum Core Advancement team is currently dealing with a significant upgrade, called Ethereum 2.0. It involves re-engineering the whole Ethereum platform, successfully releasing a brand new, more scalable variation. The implementation is due to start in the summertime of 2020 and will more than likely run for another year or more until all three stages are total. Part of the Ethereum 2.0 execution involves moving Ethereum from a proof of work to a proof of stake consensus. Staking on Ethereum 2.0 will be fairly straightforward. There will be a minimum limit of 32 ETH required to take part in staking, and validators will need to be running a validator node. Exchanges such as Binance, Crypto.com and Kraken run staking pool programs where the exchange will transfer users' funds into a wallet that's then used for staking. In concept, anyone can stake tokens, however in reality, a protocol will be used to figure out which participants get chosen to validate blocks and earn the staking benefits. The right to validate a block and earn rewards is normally designated based upon the in proportion value of the staker. Someone staking 1% of the total overall value will get to validate 1% of all blocks. The length of time that the stake has been locked up might also factor into the validator choice procedure. The rate of return for staking ETH is anticipated to be around 4%, 10%. A program called slashing will apply to any validator acting maliciously toward the network by taking a part of the validator's stake. Ethereum has actually traditionally run a proof of work consensus. However, one factor for relocating to proof of stake is that it's usually thought about to be far more energy efficient than proof of work. By contrast, anybody can operate as a PoS validator without requiring professional hardware. The theory is that PoS blockchains stand a better chance of being more decentralized due to a lower barrier to entry. Ethereum 2.0 will also involve the application of sharding, which is a partitioning method making it possible for quicker throughput. Ethereum's core developers are heavily in favor of decentralization, which points to another factor for moving to PoS. Over recent years, the mining of the biggest cryptocurrencies, consisting of BTC and ETH, has ended up being heavily dependent on a small number of large mining pools due to the race for developing faster and more sophisticated mining hardware. PoS provides those with a stake of network tokens the right to make rewards for verifying blocks. This remains in contrast with proof of work, or POW, the consensus model used by Bitcoin (BTC). POW designates block verification rights to those that show the largest amount of computing power. Once a validator agrees to stake its tokens, the stake is secured. In a lot of cases, it will be surrendered fully or partly if the validator does not act in the interests of the network purposefully or otherwise. Ethereum 2.0 staking is holding a particular quantity of Ether (ETH) to take part in the network and obtain a reward in return. The benefit of staking pools is that they enable users to pool their crypto to stand a much better possibility of being selected as a validator and making the staking rewards. On the other hand, the rewards are spread out throughout all pool participants, so they will typically yield proportionately less. Staking pools are run by a pool operator. For instance, exchanges such as Binance, Crypto.com and Kraken run staking pool programs where the exchange will transfer users' funds into a wallet that's then utilized for staking. However, there's likewise a chance to take part in staking pools that operate based upon users keeping tokens in their individual wallets, even in cold wallets. In concept, anyone can stake tokens, however in reality, a protocol will be used to figure out which individuals get picked to verify blocks and earn the staking rewards. The length of time that the stake has been locked up may likewise factor into the validator selection procedure. That is how staking in Ethereum 2.0 will work. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and hit our notification button to ensure that you're alerted when a new video is available.